Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a single mic that captures the whole kit. A cardioid large diaphragm or dynamic works best. Place it 3 to 6 feet above the drums, centered over the snare and bass relationship, and angle slightly toward the snare and hi-hat. Once positioned, set preamp gain so peaks sit near -6 dB. Make sure phantom is off if using a dynamic mic. This establishes consistent phase and headroom, so you can hear the kit's balance before committing to a take. Now refine placement. Small moves change attack and room tone, so rotate the mic 10 to 30 degrees to reduce cymbal harshness or increase snare presence. Once done, flip polarity to check phase, choose the position that gives a fuller low end without cancellations. Make level adjustments and listen in headphones while the drummer plays dynamics. If you need more attack, move the mic closer, or pull back for natural room tone. Make sure to lock the stand once you find the sweet spot. You record several takes at consistent levels and leave headroom for later processing. Once you have good passes, apply light compression and subtle EQ to taste. Cut problematic frequencies and add a touch of presence if needed. If cymbals dominate, use gentle gating or notch filters to reduce wash. If the sound is thin or facey, troubleshoot by changing mic height 6 to 12 inches, rechecking polarity, or tweaking angle. These small moves usually cure tone issues without rewiring or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.